If your favourite three-sided shape is a triangle and your favourite four-sided shape is a square, well, have I got the problem for you. What fraction of each of these squares is coloured blue? First, we have square A. Then square B. And finally, square C. Can you work out what fraction of each of these squares is blue? How are you going to do this one? Are you going to cut up lots of bits of paper with squares and triangles on them? Are you going to use the formula that you know for triangles and squares and see if that helps you find the answer? It's up to you. Give it a go. Well, how did you get on? This question is like loads in mathematics, where there's more than one way to solve the problem. Perhaps you used the knowledge that you have of the formula for the area of a triangle and the area of a square to help you to crack this puzzle. We're going to use a more visual approach to solve the problem. Let's think about unit area. Looking at the points marked on each square, we can see that they divide the square's sides into halves for square A, thirds for square B, and quarters for square C. We can use this information to rearrange those yellow triangles to help us work out the fraction of blue in each square. First we have square A. If we flip one of the yellow triangles over and move it next to the other yellow triangle, we can see that they take up half of the square. So the blue area is also half. Next up is square B. We can do the same here too. By rearranging the yellow triangles, we can see they take up 1/3 of the square. The blue area is twice the size of the yellow area, which makes the answer 2/3. And finally, square C. This one is a little trickier. But by rearranging the yellow triangles like this, we can see that the yellow triangles take up 1/8 and 1/4 of the square's area. 1/4 is the same as 2/8. So we can add 1/8 and 2/8 together to find the total yellow fraction, 3/8. Now, all we need to do is calculate the remaining blue fraction. 8/8 subtract 3/8 is 5/8.